Crap, how do I open coffee? Got it. Get open door. Morning 60. Let's be honest, it's afternoon. Alright, so we're gonna try and, well, I'm waiting on that part. So drink some coffee. Tasty. I'm thinking what I might do today is I haven't fired up that thing yet in a while. So let's clean the shop up enough to move that tractor. Alright, bye. Alright, got that out of the way. So, that's Oksana. It's a 96 Volvo 850. Has a bit of a power steering leak. I think it's actually considered a pour at this stage. Anyway, so get the grill out. I think what I might do is actually put the grill in front of that. So we might actually fire both these tractors up today. So, alright, we'll be back when we're a little more cleaned up. Alright, got the most of the stuff behind it somewhat cleared out. As you can see, this thing does leak a little bit. We'll see if we can get it fired up, and then oh man, I'm missing one of the oil leaks out of this thing. It's still leaking up there, but I cut all that, so that's good for something. Alright, so let's see if we can get this. I'm not sure if, oh, here's that. At least I left this close. Turn that on. Ugh. Reach up in here. There we go. The fuel turned on. There's still some fuel in here. Pull the choke back. Make sure she's in neutral. Clean the cobwebs off everything. See if she fires up. She has run for a while. Oh, she's angry. Oh, she's angry. Give it a little throttle there. I better get to the other side. Let's figure out why. Oh, gosh.
Yeah, that's why I said, oh, good Lord.
Oh, gosh. All right, so I can have all the tractors in the garage and play with there because, well, because this is a little bonus content.
Candy cane.
Candy corn. Just trying to get this out. What is this?
Wait, hold on. Wait. Let me try to keep this contained.
Why would they do that to us? It's like
Because
it's like Christmas herpes.
Also, look at the tape that they put on the box.
Oh my gosh. Is that a Santa with no... Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
That's going to get me a... Oh. All right, look at this. This is BIBSTER'S getting it. There we go. Here we go.
We ordered.
But I'm trying to... Yeah. Yep, that's our Christmas tree topper. He's even got the thumbs up. This is great.
And he's holding a star.
Yeah.
I didn't realize he was holding a star.
All right, let's put him on the tree, honey.
Okay. Does his legs move? Are they supposed to move? I don't understand.
What?
Why do they look like they're going to move?
I don't know.
Why are they weird? They look like they should move, but they don't. Oh, hold on. Let me get this so I can stand on it.
Christmas is here. It's not even Thanksgiving yet, honey. You know, this video's going to go up like today.
I don't care.
So, distraction from the Oliver failure.
Oh, God.
Oh, oh, well, it would have been great. You're still about to fall over. You got to get his...
I'm working on it. I'm doing this one-handed here.
All right,
Wait.
back to the video.
Wait.
All right, so we got the M out. Obviously, you saw that driving it around. Air stopped over. So probably the curse of air being here will mean that this tractor won't start. Or the curse of it's been sitting for 2 years. I swear, so far over. Late Subaru changed the design of their battery tray. Because you got to put like 8 pounds of battery in a 5-pound hole. Oh boy. Just about done. So every time I run this tractor, until now, I thought it was positive or negative ground, but I realized I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be negative or positive ground. So what we're gonna do here is try to not blow ourselves up. Get a 1/2-inch wrench, and I'm gonna hook it up the other way and see what it does. Because I make smart choices on this channel. You've already seen this. So this title might be BIBSTER'S Stars and Fade with battery acid. That'll be exciting. Content. Thumbs up. Hopefully not. Yeah. So yeah, this tractor hasn't run in probably 2 years. I don't think. There we go. So let's get it out of here. Nope, that's not good. Come on. Need a screwdriver. I'm all out of orange juice. Ba-da-ba-bum. Get the joke, kids. The only thing that concerns me is the battery. Do you know how like sometimes batteries, the one terminal is already kind of smaller?
Yep.
Yeah, this is what this one wants. Versus like this one might be positive or not be negative ground. Guess so.
Guess we'll be finding out.
Yep, we'll find out together. Yeah, I'm thinking it's actually supposed to be. Wait, what is? Well, can I see my lights inside? All right, I'm gonna do some looking real quick. So we did some looking, and we decided that it probably is the fact that this has been converted over to negative ground. We think because that's what it used to run like, and the way battery cables are, I think that's the way it's supposed to be. So that means my generator's shot, which more content. All right, let's close that. We're in neutral. Choke out. I almost bumped the start button. Key. battery shot? Is the battery dead? Hope not. Hit it. Oh, stop. Yeah, we're not getting a good connection there. Try it again. That looked healthy. Key on down there.
Choke out.
Hit it. Choke in. Or maybe it wasn't all the way out. There we go. Hit it. Well, I'll hit it when I'm here.
Yep.
This right here, no day charger, so we'll figure that out. Obviously, we had to run before, but that's on, that's on. We gotta actually, oh, you got to film me getting up on this thing?
Yep. Yep, you're good. Turn it. Oh, wait.
This thing turns so much better. I'm gonna run this up to the dirt, you can cut it.
Okay.
You can drive it in. Well, angry still.
Happier than a kid in a candy store.
Taking the album back in. So you can generator doesn't work. So. That'll be repaired. This thing is going to be fun to pull. Now, Dad will be behind the wheel this one. This is Super 88. Well, the phone is still there for some odd reason. Alright, well, I'm going to backseat in the garage, so I'll be back to you guys. We got that other carb off that other 760. And it is pretty stuck, so I'll probably be ordering a new throttle shaft. So we'll probably finish this video up. As you can see, we kind of got those two tractors accomplished. We got those moved, a little more room in the garage. 60 is still just like last night. Sheet metal on it, ready to go. But yeah, hopefully we'll get this thing figured out because I'm gonna let that soak overnight. That might come free. But we'll find out from there. But have a good one. Like and subscribe. Put hopefully another video up tomorrow or maybe Monday or someday.